Looking for a quick escape? Check out the best day trips from San Miguel de Allende, where nature, history, and unique experiences come together for a perfect outing.
Remember that you have the links to all the activities in the description.
Embark on a private full-day journey from San Miguel de Allende to Mineral de Pozos, where you can uncover the profound history of mining in Mexico. Led by an experienced guide, this excursion takes you through a 400-year-old mine, highlighting abandoned structures and allowing visitors to venture into a mine shaft themselves. Embark on an enlightening guided tour of the heart of San Miguel de Allende, featuring captivating street walks and insights into the city's historical significance. Start by exploring the bustling downtown, where you'll encounter iconic landmarks such as the parish of San Miguel Archangel and the opulent home of Captain Ignacio Allende. Begin your tour at Baja Fish Taquito. Proceed to the subsequent destination, where you shall appreciate the scenic beauty of San Miguel as you explore its cultural landmarks. Embark on a captivating private half-day exploration of Cañada de la Virgen, the singular archaeological site nestled within the picturesque town of San Miguel de Allende. This historical enigma invites visitors to unravel the secrets of the ancient inhabitants, where theories abound regarding their lifestyle and eventual downfall. During the visit to San Miguel, numerous individuals often arrive with diverse expectations, which can lead to challenges in navigating the area. Our guided tour aims to address these concerns by welcoming guests and introducing them to our vibrant city. Depart from Mexico City early in the morning, and proceed through the scenic countryside towards the charming colonial city of San Miguel de Allende. Upon reaching the destination, embark on a 1.5-hour guided tour to explore its historical landmarks. Embark on an enchanting driving tour to discover the lesser-known treasures of San Miguel de Allende. This meticulously planned excursion leads you away from the typical routes, inviting you to explore the city's distinctive colonial charm, picturesque landscapes, and rich cultural attractions.
Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.